ಕಿರಣ್ಮಯ ಉಪುದ್ರುತ ಶಂಖಚಕ್ರಃ ಓಂ ಮಿತ್ರಾಯ ನಮಃ.
Surya Namaskaras. Surya Namaskar is the Sanskrit name for specific sequence of 12 Yogasana, otherwise known as a sun salutation. It is one of the more widely known yoga practices, incorporated into several chronic diseases. Traditions such as Hatha, Vinyasa and Ashtanga. The term is derived from two Sanskrit roots, Surya meaning sun and Namaskar meaning greetings or salutation. Traditionally, the practice of Surya Namaskar was used as a means of paying respect to the sun. The 12 asana with compressed Surya Namaskar are Pranavasana, Rudvahastasana. The 12 asanas which compress Surya Namaskar are Pranamasana, Rudvahastasana, Uttanasana, Asvachanchalana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Ashtanga Namaskara, Bhujangasana, Adho Mukha Savasana, Ashvachanchalana.